Hey, let me show you all controls of the CMF Buds Pro 2. And we can actually find all of them by opening the Nothing X application. And we've got controls for the left and the right earbud, but also for this wheel that you can find on the charging case. But first of all, let's focus on our earbuds. So as you can see, we've got double tap, triple tap, tap and hold, and then double tap and hold. And it looks the same for the both earbuds. So for the double tap, we can actually answer the calls, play and the pause, skip back, skip forward, activate voice assistant. For the triple tap, we can do the same, but we can also hang up calls and decline incoming calls. For the tap and the hold, we are able to change between the transparency, noise cancellation and off. And for the double tap and the hold, we can volume up or volume down. And it looks the same for this right bud. And on the charging case, we've got single press to play and a pause, skip forward, skip back, get the voice assistant, or enable the low lag mode. So this is actually the game mode. For the double press, we've got almost everything, but we can also find some calls like answer calls or mute and unmute microphone. On the triple press, we can hang up calls and decline incoming calls. And on the press and the hold, we can change the noise control, voice assistant, or turn on and off the low latency mode. And for the rotate, we can actually change the volume level. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.